Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix connection issues on your Xbox Series X. First, make sure every cable is securely connected to your console and your router. Then, give your Xbox a full power cycle by holding its power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts off completely. It's also a good idea to reboot your Wi-Fi router. Simply unplug it for at least 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Finally, check that your router isn't too far from your Xbox. Aim for a distance of less than 20 feet for optimal signal. Next, let's dive into your Xbox's internal network settings. From the home screen, go to Settings, then General, and finally Network Settings. Here, you can check your current connection status and run the Test Network Connection utility to pinpoint any specific issues. If you are still struggling, try forgetting your current Wi-Fi network and then reconnecting, carefully entering your password again. Also, ensure your console isn't accidentally set to an incorrect static IP address. Now, let's consider your router's configuration. Access its administration page, usually via a web browser, and check that its firmware is completely up to date. Interference can also cause problems, so ensure your Wi-Fi network is broadcasting on a clear channel. Remember to confirm your Xbox is attempting to connect to the correct band. Some older devices only support 2.4 GHz, while the Xbox Series X can use both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. You might also try temporarily disabling quality of service or QoS settings. If problems persist, try some advanced options. Consider setting a static IP address for your Xbox Series X directly within your router settings. This sometimes provides a more stable connection. Experiment with changing your DNS servers on your Xbox console. Public options like Google's 8.8.8.8 are often reliable. You could also create a guest Wi-Fi network on your router, then attempt to connect your Xbox to that. Finally, try connecting your Xbox to a mobile hotspot from your phone to confirm if the issue is with your main home network equipment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.